Good morning, students. I am Ma'am Violet Bailey, and today in Moral Science we will start the new chapter. The name of the story is Old is Gold. This story is based upon the moral teaching caring for the old. In this story, we will see how a child grows into an adult. Adult means a person who is fully grown and then with every passing year becomes old. One day all of us will grow old. It is important to respect and care for old age. Let's now start reading the chapter Old is Gold. Once, in very olden times, the people of Romania thought that the old people are an unnecessary burden. Burden means unwanted responsibility. They are weak and old and are unable to do any work. So, they decided to kill all the old people in the country. All the old people above the age of 60 years were ordered to be killed. Lots of wise and old people were killed, and a storehouse of wisdom. Wisdom means knowledge and good judgment. Knowledge and experience was destroyed. A young man had great love and respect for his father. He did not want him to be killed. He hid him in a cellar. Cellar means a storage space below the ground, and took good care of him. He always consulted his father in times of trouble. Nobody knew that the old man was living. As the years passed by, a bad drought means long periods of no or very low rainfall, overtook the country and brought famine. Famine means extreme shortage of food. The stores of food grains were over. They did not have a single grain of seed to sow in the land. Everyone looked worried. The old man asked his son the cause of his worry. The son told him the problem the country was facing. The old man thought for a while and then said, "Don't worry, my son. Don't tell to anyone for the time being what I am going to tell you now. Take your plow. Plow means large farming tool for turning the soil, and plow up the land in front of your house." The son did just as his father had advised. The rains came, and wheat, barley, and beans began to sprout out of the ground. The people were surprised to see the man reaping when he had not sown anything. The old man had advised his son to do so because he knew from his experience that when people bring their crop home, many seeds drop on the ground in the way. He was sure that with a little plowing and the rains, they would sprout. Sprout means start to grow. Soon the king called the boy to know the secret of his wisdom. The boy told him that the advice had come from his old father, whom he had hid in the cellar. After this incident, the people of that country did not kill their old people. They loved and respected them. So, students, this was the story Old is Gold. I hope you all must have understood the story. What we have learned from this story? We learn that we must love and respect old people. We must also look forward for their advice and guidance. We should make them feel wanted, respected, loved, and cared for.